What is threadless jewelry? What is my elevator pitch? No, cut that. Threadless jewelry is a very simple solution for body piercing jewelry. It was invented in 1997 by my father-in-law. The way that it works is the straight shaft and the straight pin is put together a little bit and bent. And that bent pin in the straight shaft creates tension. Can I do a drawing? I mean, I can draw it really quick. On the ball side or the gem side, it has a straight pin. Putting the pin into the straight hole and bending it slightly creates tension. And then when you put it together, it will lock into place. Now, if you bend the pin further, it's going to be more secure. If you bend the pin a little less, it will be able to come apart. Another way you can bend it, from that point, take the ball and bend it backwards a little bit and get more of an S bend on it. Pushing it back in should get the tension and the security that you need for that gem to stay in place. One of the biggest benefits of threadless jewelry is the ease of insertion for the piercer. Imagine being on a piercing table and just having your nostril pierced. With threadless, the tension of the pin is set beforehand, and then the needle goes through, the labret post comes through, and then the pin's inserted and we're done. It's literally a few seconds versus having to have the client sit there and wait for you to thread this piece on. It's much easier for the client. If you carry threadless jewelry in your shop or you're thinking about carrying threadless jewelry in your shop, one of the benefits is these gems with the threadless pin on the back will fit into an 18 gauge, a 16 gauge, a 14 gauge, and in some cases a 12 gauge. Some of the combinations aren't advised, but they'll all work. Anything that you're buying in NeoMetal, if it has the pin on the back, it is going to fit universally into every piece of jewelry that we have. And we realize that after having a patent for 20 years, there are many manufacturers generating threadless or pushpin style jewelry. Now, having set the standard for that long, their pins will work with NeoMetal backs, and NeoMetal gems will work with their threadless backs as well. If you have any additional questions about threadless jewelry, please email us at info@neometal.com or check us out on the web at neometal.com. If you're interested in getting our jewelry, we sell to piercing studios and tattoo parlors. Shoot us an email at info@neometal.com and we'll point you in the direction of your nearest retail partner who can help you out.